Aircrete Europe, as your technology partner, will guide you through all the steps of planning, building and operating an AAC plant. Our experience and solutions enable our customers to become market leaders in quality and application of AAC products. Our services include turnkey AAC projects, plant services and modernizations, and industry solutions. We offer modern turnkey plants with the proven Aircrete technology for high-quality production at an optimized cost. Aircrete projects start with a customized engineering called Phase 1. Together with you, we design the optimal balance between technology, local factors, and investment expectations. Our engineers have a long track record in customized projects, improving the operational efficiency, product quality, and automation of existing AAC plants. Besides plant services, we upgrade individual areas with latest equipment and innovations, for example, mixing and dosing system, cutting line, reinforcement area, and packing line. Aircrete Europe, as your technology partner, offers global best practices and innovations to reach the full potential of your AAC plant. Our experienced staff are available to share their knowledge in the fields of process technology, production management, product development, and operational support.